I'm Darren Shewards. I'm the operations manager, and the company is Zeiss Microscopy in Cambridge, the UK.
Yeah, and I'm Bob Taylor. I'm the managing director there, and a lean advocate. So, hence why we're at the conference. Yeah, so I came 5 years ago. We hosted an AME workshop in Cambridge with a guy called Bob Davis, who was the UK AME representative, and he told us all about the conference, and we were about 2 or 3 years into our lean journey then, and it seemed right. So I came out with our lean manager, and we went to Baltimore, and really came away with a lot of ideas. So in fact, so many ideas that we didn't know what to do with them, to be honest. And then the next year we sent another 2 guys, Darren being one of those.
Yeah, I went with Dan Ulrich. We went to Dallas, which was again many ideas. Came back very energised. As always.
Yeah. So now we send 4 every year, and we try to cover as much of the conference as we can. We have a summary every day. We share our key learnings, and we go through the value streams that we've been in, or the workshops. We attend the workshops as well.
Yeah, we're trying to split up so all 4 of us do different streams, and at the end of the day we share our learnings, which we'll take back to Cambridge.
And we've got people from different disciplines in the company. So we've got an R&D guy. He tends to go to the innovation work stream. Darren will go to the more manufacturing ones, and I go to the more management type things. And we pick that up. And we try to look for synergies across what we're learning, and then we take those ideas back and we disseminate them to our team, to the management team, and to our teams in general. And then really look for the key nuggets that we're going to try to introduce in the coming year based on that. And, so far, it's been very successful.
I think every session you go to, you're going to find 1 or 2 really cool nuggets that you can take back, and then it explodes from there. You share with your team, and they build on it, and then we try and share it with the R&D side. And as Bob said, sometimes it goes across the globe, or across to our sister company in Germany.
Yeah, we always come back so passionate and fired up from the conference, as you can probably see now, and we try to infuse our staff with that passion that we come back with, because there's so many good things going on. It just you just want to get back and do it. You see these good things.
Yeah, it's not just what you learn; it's the people you meet as well. You meet some great people, and the contacts and the networking. After the event, it's wonderful. Stay in contact for many years.
Yeah. In fact, we've even done shared factory visits with people we met here, sometimes, which is great. See it in action. Yeah. Hear all the warts and all parts of their journey and what they've learned. It's been great.
And it's also very nice to know that some of the things you're looking at, you've done yourself, and you're on the right track. And it's a good feeling to go back to the team and say, guys, we're on the right track. We've been to the AME Conference. We've seen what they're doing. We're on the right track.
Yeah, I mean, we go to all of the keynotes. We make a big point of going to those because they're people that you wouldn't normally know, but they're these guys that have got so much experience about a certain subject or a number of subjects. Normally about people. We've seen Generation X and Y this week, and that's stuff that we don't normally understand or don't normally learn about, and we take that back. And this week particularly, we've learnt from one of the keynotes all about how long the Gen Ys will stay and the Zoomers will stay, and how to manage those, and we've even looked, following that keynote, how companies are advertising, because she suggested some ways for advertising in this time in 2014, and companies are doing it, and yet we're still using old traditional methods to recruit people, and we've seen ways of improving that way as well. So outside of the manufacturing, I think that those things have been very good.
Yeah, they inspire you. There's one guy, I can't remember his name, he started the conference off with the paintings. Absolutely inspirational. To me, it's like the keynotes are wow. You struggle trying to take notes, and you can't keep up because you're listening, you're trying to take notes, and it's impossible, but they really inspire you. And for me, you go away with more from the keynotes maybe than you do the sessions, because they're very inspiring, and they're up there and it's real life. Something I can really grasp hold of, and usually they're things like you haven't heard, like the Gen X, the Gen Y, different things, and it's just awesome. Keynotes are awesome. And
we selected some. It really depends on what the presentations we want to see first. We try and prioritise those, and then work in a tour around that. So out of 4 of us, we've done 2 tours this time. Last year we did all 4 tours and seen some great companies. And again, that's a great thing, because you go in and you see it in real life. You see what's going on, and you can speak to the workers and really understand their issues and their successes, I think. But we did the workshops on Monday, so these are the training sessions. We both did a full day training session on problem solving, which is a big topic for us, and it's something we've been trying to learn more about. We've done some things with Cambridge University, and this really was another aspect of that. And to interact with a group of 20 or 30 other people was fantastic. And so we had people from all over the world that we were doing problem solving with this week, and it was fantastic.
Yeah, because I was in the same course, did lots of role play, and that was good fun.
Yeah.
And tomorrow I've got another workshop, so I'm doing the 3P, which is something we really want to try and do in Cambridge. So it'll be my first taste of 3P, although we are doing a book club on 3P.
Tell me a bit about 3P. Why are you guys so passionate about a thing called 3P with that?
So 3P is production preparation process.
Yeah.
And we've been going down our lean journey for a long time, and we're quite efficient in what we do in production. Where we always fall over is where we bring something new from R&D into production. We have this big dip in performance. We spend a lot of time correcting the design while it's in production. Our aim now is to have a seamless vertical integration of new products into production without any dip and having all the problems solved. So this is, for us, we see it's our next step in our lean journey. And so we've come here really looking for ideas and inspiration on the 3P, and there's obviously the specialists here as well, Drew Locker, for example, who's written the book that we've read, and really getting those tips from the source is going to be a great start in our journey, I think.
Yeah, it excites me because obviously from the production point of view, in the past we had products thrown into production, not fully finished. Nightmare with mods, changing things. Hopefully this time around we can start together with the guys in R&D and production engineering, our suppliers, from day one, and have a seamless product introduction, I hope. Make my life easier.
Yeah. So that was a key part of our visit this time as well, to keep our eye out for anything 3P, and anyone we met asked them if they were doing 3P, and we have met a couple of companies that are on the journey already. We met a guy from Siemens last night who's a 3P specialist in their company, and we've got a contact detail from him, so we're going to make contact after the show.
So that contact that you made in Siemens might be something that's just the type of thing you need, that you wouldn't...
Yeah.
We wouldn't have got that anywhere else. I mean, just by chance, discussion in the evening, the guy's doing 3P, and we spent about an hour talking to him. We exchanged cards, and we'll follow it up when we get home.
Can't get that anywhere else.
No, to me
Exactly.
it's the biggest learning experience in the world you'll ever come across.
Yeah.
It's a great place to learn and meet people.